Alright, guys, here we go.
National Weather Service in Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern weather service in western North Carolina, northwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles west of Lincoln to 6 miles southeast of Forest City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding and trees.
Look.
Locations impacted include Shelby, Lincolnton, Cherryville, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Bellwood, Lawndale, Patterson Springs, Falston, Polkville, and Ellenboro. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room.
Mama.
Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your visit to describe the event and specific location where it occurred. Your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, Lincoln, and Rutherford.
Love you, man.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe